Hello everyone, I'm Fabrice Cheche, a biomedical engineer from Cameroon. I'm currently working at Tonka-In, a Cameroonian institute for research and development of embedded systems for the sustainable development of Africa. I'm also an entrepreneur in the field of Internet of Things. Today, we will present you our solution to dissatisfaction of user of Cameroonian health structure, complex management of low human resource available, and more other. Tell me is our solution. Tell me is a device made of two different modules. We have the transmitter module or patient module and the receiver module or nurse module. Tell me is available in two different versions, the radio frequency version and the Wi-Fi version. Today we will present you how the radio frequency version is working. We will not present the Wi-Fi version because it is currently in test at Polyclinic of Poitiers in Douala. So, our radio frequency version, as we said, is made of two different modules. This is the patient module. When the patient has a need of assistance, he will then press on the green button and the alert will be transferred to the receiver module, and the nurse will receive three different type of alert. We have first message display, we have vibration, and we have sound alarm. So once the nurse receives the alert, she will then go and meet the patient and try to fix the issue. On, after done with it, she will then press on the black button. So let us try to illustrate how it's working. I will first power the different module. I will first power the transmitter module and then the receiver module. As we shown, during the power on, the indicator of the module blink. So let us assume we are a patient and we want some assistance for the medical staff. I will then press on the green button and we observe here what will happen. So let me press, and as you can see here, we have alarm display, we have LED flashing, we have sound and also vibration to indicate to the nurse that a patient has a need of assistance, and the location of a patient is displayed on the screen. So as a nurse, then I will go to meet the patient, solve the issue, and then cancel the alarm. So to cancel the alarm, as we explained before, we will press on the black button and see what will happen here. So let us try. I will press the black button. The cancel is transferred to the receiver or nurse module, who will then remove all the message alert and switch off. So each of our module has a range of 100 meters, but thanks to the repeater module, we can go up to 1 kilometer without obstacle. Tell me is the solution that will increase the efficiency of the medical staff, that will also improve the care provided by hospital to the patient. Thanks for support us and goodbye. Ciao.